I'm Dr. Naveen Patle. I'm Additional Commissioner Horticulture in Ministry of Agriculture. I'm also holding Director Central Institute of Horticulture Nagaland. This institute today, I'm happy to share this information to you. We have inaugurated as a new farmers hostel and also our Honorable Minister Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, in the presence of Shri Shobha Karandalaje, Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, and also in the presence of Secretaries Horticulture and Secretary and Team Leader Nagaland Beekeeping Honey Mission. So this is a very important day for us, because in beekeeping in Nagaland, and not only in Nagaland and also in other parts of the northeastern states, the people are adopting this sector because it's a very growing sector, and also for doubling the farmers of income, we have to again boost up this sector. So considering all this thing, we have launched one National Beekeeping and Honey Mission in 2021 with the focus to promote the beekeepers in the country, and especially the honey sector. As you know, we are exporting around 600 crores rupees of honey to different countries, and around we are producing 1,25,000 metric ton honey in the country. So in northern part also we have very premium quality honey. So we want to bring it in international market with the help of our National Beekeeping and Honey Mission, and we have very special focus on this mission because we are supporting for infrastructure, for post harvest management, and for also research and development in beekeeping sector. And apart from that, the Central Institute of Horticulture Nagaland is also running various programs for upliftment of farmers, like training up rural youth and some school dropouts. They can come, they can take the trainings on nursery management, post harvest management, and especially we are also conducting some programs on market linkages, because this is again very focused area for horticulture sector. And we today some entrepreneurs, they have come with their products because they are the trainees of our institutes, and finally they have now become the entrepreneur. Today our Honorable Minister has launched their products, and our entrepreneurs, they have shared their experience also. So this institute has been constructed for overall development of horticulture sector in northern region. I hope the farmers of Nagaland and other states, they will take the advantage of the institute's programs, and also they will do better in beekeeping area.
Actually, beekeeping is not only the concern of the beekeepers and the bee farmers, which you would specifically say, but beekeeping is preservation and protection of bees, and beekeeping is very, very important for all of us, because once the bee disappear from the face of the earth, we will not survive in the next 4 years. The world will come to an end by the 4th year, and it will not go beyond that. So it is very, very vital and important for all of us to conserve and to protect the bees.